we just finished at Smitty's. We're gonna bring one of our buddies over. We're gonna have a great day. All right, it's nice outside, and yeah. Oh, it's moving the whole thing. Where's this guy? Showing up.
Shake.
Such shake.
Is it?
I think so. Okay, but anyways, this is Timmy, okay? And we're gonna throw him into the river. Oh, that's definitely Jake. That's so Jake. That's so Jake. Jake's on his way. Jake's on his way. He's probably wondering what we're doing. For sure.
Hey, Jake.
You know how to use clutch, right? You know how to use clutch, right?
I never did clutch before.
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
We're
This is
teaching
gonna
them.
be fun. Okay, well,
I'll figure it out. Kind of that hard.
let's get in the grass here. Should we transfer it over? So we're cut over to there.
You know how to ride it already.
What?
We're trying to teach Jake you know how to ride it.
Alright, Jake, hop on.
I'm probably gonna actually whip it over.
Okay, this is what we call teaching with Trey.
Alright, so hold that in. Hold the clutch in. Yeah. Okay. Shift down.
Is it down?
Yeah, down. Okay, then rev that a little bit.
Slowly release the clutch and slowly go.
Yeah.
Come on, Jake! Woo!
Shift up. Yeah. No. Jake, you have to shift up. First up. First is down, then all of them are up. Oh, then the rest are up. And then he said he could ride a 250. Not a chance. Rosie, get! Want me to rip it up now or what?
Rosie, go! 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 Better than him. Oh, he's screwed.
Get that in gear! Did you get that on video?
Yeah.
Yeah! What the fuck is this? God, your dog is so scary riding beside. I swear. It's the dog. The sun was in his eyes, guys.
Yeah, it was the sun.
It's the sun. It was the dog's fault.
All the dog's
The
fault.
dog was in the way. He was literally under the dirt
that
bike.
was so fun. Oh my
basically,
god. No, actually, why was that so fun? That was great, actually. It's so slippery.
I almost had it. Oh boy, he's actually so smooth with it. Oh. Atta boy. No crashing for him.
More of a joyride, not than a fun.
Joyride.
There are no gear men right now.
Oh, stalled. Should we all get a ride? E-bike quad 135?
Yeah. I'll rip up the e-bike.
All right, sounds good. Oh.
I need my things all mine. I'll bring this thing over. Put your helmet on. Give it Fire.
What?
Hit the kickstand.
Woo. Popping it up.
Thousand years later.
End of the video, we're just hanging out now, tailgating, got the truck, got a dirt bike, got the boys, but we're just gonna cut the video now, end it.
And remember guys, keep twisting throttles!
Yeah!